In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix keyboard not typing in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button, then open Settings and go to Accessibility. Scroll down and click on Keyboard under the Interaction section. Here, look for Filter keys and make sure it is turned off. This feature can sometimes prevent normal typing if it's accidentally enabled. Next, click the arrow next to Filter keys and ensure that the shortcut toggle is also turned off. This prevents it from being turned on unintentionally. If your keyboard is still not typing, move on to the next fix. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager, or simply search for it using the search bar. Once inside, expand the Keyboard section. Right-click your keyboard driver, usually listed as HID keyboard device, and select Uninstall device. After that, restart your computer so Windows can automatically reinstall a clean version of the driver. Once your system is back on, open Device Manager again, expand Keyboards, and right-click your keyboard. This time, select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds a newer or more compatible version, install it and restart your PC if prompted. If the issue still continues, click the search icon, type Control Panel, and open it. Go to Hardware and Sound, then Power Options. Click on Change what the power buttons do, then select Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Scroll down and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup, then click Save Changes. This helps resolve issues caused by improper system shutdown behavior. After that, perform a full shutdown, not just a restart, and turn your laptop back on. If your keyboard is still not responding, you can temporarily use the on-screen keyboard. Click the Windows icon, go to Settings again, and on the login screen, click the accessibility icon. Turn on the on-screen keyboard so you can continue typing while troubleshooting. Hope it helps, and now that your keys are responsive again, you're ready to get back to typing and staying productive. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.